Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well today, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Natalie, so I hope you guys can join the family and subscribe down below. But let's get on with today's video. Today's video is going to be a Pandora haul. I've done 2 Pandora videos so far. I did a Pandora collection video and then one when I did my reorganising my bracelet. They both went down really well, so I thought I'd do a Pandora haul today from things that we got from Christmas and sales and that kind of thing. This is not me bragging in any way or form, this is just me sharing with you guys what I've got from Pandora, a little Pandora haul. I love Pandora so much, and I know a lot of you guys do out there, so I thought this is a video that you guys might enjoy. This is not me bragging. I appreciate all of this and I really hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start off with one that I got from my auntie for Christmas, and this is gorgeous. It's quite a floral bead kind of charm, and I'll show you it now. So this is it in the box. So that's what the charm looks like, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's quite floral. It's got a white background with orange and pink flowers on. You can also see the kind of like the vines that the flowers have grown on. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This kind of reminds me of the old Pandora style, where they had quite a lot of kind of like florally ones. It's kind of the glass beads that they had. They actually stopped making these, didn't really bring them out anymore. So that was quite cool that they actually not have them out again, but that you can buy some similar to that now, because it's kind of like the old Pandora, but like a redesigned and like a more updated and more modern version of it. So I do really like this. It's also got like a little engraved heart on the side, on both sides, which I think is really pretty. So this did remind me of the old design and I love it. So the next one I've got something like different types of boxes, but this is the next one, and this one I think is absolutely stunning. It reminds me of one that I already have. I've got one and my mum's got one similar, so now I've got 3 all different colours and they are absolutely gorgeous. Let's actually focus on the charm, but this is what it looks like, and it is stunning. So it's got this kind of silver band all the way around, and it's got this purple bead that you can see from 3 different angles, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. I have the silver and my mum's got the blue one. This will go so nicely on my bracelet, because currently my bracelet's quite like silver and rose gold themed, and I don't really have any other colours apart from silver and rose gold. That's it. So it'll be nice to have like a bit of extra colour and just like a bit of a change and something different on it as well. So the next one is this little bee here. If you guys have been on my channel before, you will know I'm obsessed with bees. I love bees. So this is one that I've got now, and it is such a cute little bee. I also have a different bee charm. So this is the other bee charm that I currently have. And I got this one when it first came out. I think my dad bought me and my mum one, because we both bought the fake versions. Like, because if you guys didn't know, you can go on Wish and buy fake versions of Pandora, but you can tell the fake by the weight of them, by the look of them, everything. So you can tell the fake, but if you don't want to buy the actual Pandora ones, you can get these. You can't tell the fake from a distance, it's just if you're looking at the charm up close. So my dad did treat me and my mum to one of these when they first came out, which I felt so grateful and so lucky for. But I have then seen that they've reintroduced a new bee with a different kind of style and different look to it. So I'll try to show you guys a bit up close. So this is what the bee looks like. I think it is so cute. It's got a little smile on and everything. It's holding a little heart, and it says "Be Mine," and it's got little stripes down the back. It's got little wings on too that look really cute and delicate. But I really like this specific one because I feel like the colour would go nicer on my bracelet than the gold, because the only gold charm on my bracelet is that one, and the rest is like rose gold. So I think it can look a little bit odd not having rose gold and silver all on one bracelet. So it'd be nice to be able to have a bee charm that is silver, so I can kind of mix it up and kind of like do a bit more of like colour coordination. So the next one I've got is this little hedgehog charm here. I think this is called like Neo or something. It's absolutely adorable. I think it looks so kind of like realistic and so kind of like lifelike, especially from Pandora. They do quite like cartoony ones, and this one you can see a little spikes on the back, you can see his little face at the front and everything. And I think he is just so cute, and you can see his little nose and his little smile. He also has an engraved little heart in his tummy, and I think this is an absolutely adorable charm. I sadly lost my hedgehog at the start, well, kind of like mid-2020. I think it was during the first lockdown. He sadly passed away and we had to get him put down. So I was honestly heartbroken over that. So I've got this cute little hedgehog charm here, and I just love it. It just reminds me of him. I have a bunny one from when my old bunny Bobby, he was a rescue bunny. We had him for 6 years, but he was fully grown when we got him. I've got a little bunny charm on my bracelet currently for him, and now I've got a little hedgehog for Felix. So the next one came in this little box here, and I'm just going to open this up. So this is actually still in its package, but this is a little penguin charm, which is quite nice and a little Christmassy and all festive, because I don't actually have any festive charms yet or anything like Christmassy for Pandora. So I'm just gonna get this out. This actually has moving pieces on it, which I really like, because I've got a dog charm from Pandora and his collar moves and you can see his collar moving, so I think that's really cute. And I really like this on the penguin because he's got a little bell on the end of his hat that moves. So I just really like this because I really don't have any Christmas charms at all on my bracelet, and I think it's really nice to be able to like have something festive, and I think it just gives like such positive vibes and just reminds me of like little snowy days, and I don't know, I really like it. I just love the little dangling bell as well. I think it'd be even cool if you could actually like hear it dangle. But yeah, he's just wearing a little Christmas hat, and it just kind of reminds me of the film Happy Feet as well, because it's just such a happy little penguin on Christmas. So next one is this elephant charm here. This one is gorgeous. It just kind of reminds me of the Dumbo one, and I did like the Dumbo one when they brought it out. I just thought it was a little bit too, I don't know, I don't feel like it'll fit my vibe of my bracelet. So when they brought this one out, I thought it was so much better, and it would really fit my bracelet well. So this is a really shiny silver one, and you can see he's holding his trunk up. His ears are quite good in proportion to his body, because the Dumbo one had like massive ears, which obviously it's going to, but it just wouldn't fit my bracelet properly. And I really like the way he just sat down. It just reminds me of a little baby elephant in the zoo, and it just makes me really happy. And I feel like I've really started to grow like my animal collection on my bracelet, and this would really fit in perfectly. So the next one is like another glass bead one, like the one we looked at before. This one is, it's kind of got like a whitey pink to it, and it's got white lines running through it and kind of little heart shapes, and then it's also got pink, like darker pink roses, which I think is really quite classy and quite nice. It'll go really well with my other glass bead, and I'm really liking how they are bringing these all back in at the moment. This one isn't actually bought new, this one is second hand, but I thought it was really nice, so I just couldn't resist it. So the last charm that I've got to show you guys today is this one here. So it really reminds me of this one here, which is a Regal heart charm, and this is one that I really like, and it kind of reminds me of like loads of like vines in a jungle kind of like mashing together to make like a pattern, if that makes sense. So I really like this one. This is mainly based on like flowers, so you've got you've got 3 flowers with like other designs around it and like little dots around to make the actual loop for the bracelet to go through, and it's quite an intricate design, and I just really like it. It reminds me of kind of a classy Pandora, you know, when you just get the silver charms that have just kind of got designs on them and things like that. It just reminds me of that, and I really like it. I have been after ones like these for a while, because they've got quite a few that are very similar, like the Regal heart one, this one here. They've got quite a few similar to that, so I kind of want to have a bracelet with like one kind of main bead, like main charm in the middle, and then a load like Regal charm, you know, like the Regal heart one, and loads of ones that like that kind of like surrounding it, because I think it'd make the main one kind of stand out a lot more, and the others would just look really classy and really kind of shiny and just really nice, and it really make a change. So that's kind of thing I've been after, so that's kind of the start of that kind of collection now. So guys, that is pretty much it. It's not a very long video because I didn't get that much, and I don't want to go on and on when it's unnecessary to. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you would like more Pandora type videos, Pandora style videos, make sure to drop it down below in the comments for me so I can see that. And also let me know what your favourite charm was from today's video. But guys, that is pretty much it from me for today, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!